Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing this cute Easter egg with a bow and bunny ears. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. With this drawing, I'll be erasing some lines, so I'd recommend drawing in a pencil first. Okay, let's start off by drawing the bow first. In the center, near the top, let's draw a circle. Now from the top, let's draw a diagonal line out and then curve it back down and in for the bow. And the same thing on the left side. Next, inside, let's draw a line out and then curve it back in at the end. And then one more underneath. And the same thing on the left side. Now underneath, let's draw the ribbons hanging down. Underneath the circle, let's draw a curve down and out. And the same on the left. And then another one on the outside. Now at the bottom, let's connect the lines with a pointed shape up and back down. Next, let's draw the shape of the egg. From the bottom left side of the bow, let's draw a curved line down and curve it in at the bottom. And the same thing on the right side. Next, before we draw the pattern on the egg, let's draw the bunny ears on top. On the top right of the bow, let's draw a curve up and out and back in. And then the same thing for the left ear. And then inside each ear, we're going to draw two curved lines that come to a point. And in the left ear as well. Now let's draw the pattern inside the egg. Across the center of the egg, let's draw two curved lines across here. Now inside these two lines in the center, let's draw the flowers. Let's start with the circle in the center here. And then we're going to draw 6 petals around like this. Next, let's draw another flower on an angle to the left. And then one more on the right side. Next at the bottom, let's draw 2 more curved lines across here. Next, let's do the same thing at the top here. And then let's erase any of the lines that we drew overlapping the bow. And then let's draw one more curved line above it between the bow ribbons. Let's draw the patterns inside each of these sections next. Let's start in the top section and we're going to draw a zigzag pattern behind the bow. Next, let's hop down to the next big section and we're going to start in the center and we're going to draw a curved line down like this. And the same thing on the right. Now let's continue this over to either side with a wavy line. Next, let's follow that same wavy line underneath. And lastly, for this section, let's draw some small circles. Next, let's hop down to the section underneath the flowers. Starting from the center, let's draw a diagonal line down, and then one down to the right. Now let's continue the zigzag pattern out to the right and left. Next, let's follow that same zigzag line underneath. And lastly, in the bottommost section, let's draw some small circles across. And that's it for the Easter egg. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!